gosh, my skin. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mope, and today I'm going to remove this first. That's rude. Then I'm going to be trying out the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. I'm quite excited about this. So this is how it came in. Of course, it came in the box, and then this came out of it. And I have here two shades, which is 8 and 9. Those are the two shades that I do have. Oh, okay, so you just turn, and it's right here. The shades are a bit, they worry me. Okay. Ooh, girl. Okay, so these are the two shades that I got. This is 8 and this is 9. And as we can tell, 9 is a bit too dark for me. I'm a little nervous. I feel like those you know. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna dab a little bit, and then I'm gonna try. Oh, this looks bright. Yeah, this don't look like it's for me. So we're not gonna waste our time much longer. Now I'm not even putting no primer on my face. Ooh, girl. Okay, so we're about to use this Milk Makeup Primer. I just don't know how I'm gonna use it, but we're about to use it. Oh, where hasn't the concealer touched at this point? Okay, and so my hand is obviously messy, but all right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna use the darker one, which is 9, and honestly, I'm hoping this is not too dark for me. Although, oh, okay, it works. Like, so wait, there's no coverage. What's happening? Okay, kind of glad I put on my concealer ahead of time. So this is it. I'm done. I'm gonna finish off my face, guys. Is this it? So I think one thing I also read was that it was blurring, and I kind of see that, honestly. So that's good. Excuse me. I think that's really good. But again, let me read the stats so we can see it. Okay, it's a texture reducing. I can see that. It's a texture reducing, coverage boosting, blurring balm that balances oil throughout the day while maintaining hydration. Okay, it's a light coverage. Okay, I did say that earlier. And it's supposed to have a natural finish, which I agree with. And I think maybe because I'm not used to that, I'm like, I keep dabbing and trying to put more on it. But yes, I actually agree with it. It does have a hyaluronic acid, squalene, and Upsilite. Upsilite helps to support and absorb excess sebum and sweat while maintaining skin's hydration. Honestly, that's it. So then if that's the case, we got it. It does have a light coverage for us. Okay, it does have a light coverage, but it does it's like it has a light coverage, but because of the blurring properties, it makes it like I like it. The answer to the question is I like it. I'm gonna do my contour, and I'm probably gonna fast forward this part so you guys can see it. I am gonna use Danessa Myricks product for the most part, the ones I have. I'm gonna use the Power Bronzer. Ooh, look at it. Look at that. Okay, so this is kind of why, you know what, let me save my comments to when I actually compare and contrast to both products. What does they look like? I think we're done. That's it, guys. We are finito, done with. I love this. I don't understand how it's lightweight with blurring properties, but I love that combo because that's what this is giving me. That's what I appreciate about it. I appreciate the fact that it's blurring, and I appreciate, I've never thought I would say this, but I appreciate the fact that it's lightweight. Never thought I would say this in my entire existence, but it's giving, like it's doing what it's supposed to do, and it's surprising to me. So here's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna do a wear test. I'm going to leave for a couple of hours actually, and I will be back to show you guys what my face looks like. I am hoping and praying that it is not an oily, greasy mess, but I don't think that it will be, but I don't know. So just, you know what I'm saying, sit back, relax, and I'll be right back, okay? Oh, hi you guys, we are back again. Eat. No, but look at my face though. Okay, so it is 5:15. Look at my face. Look at my face, somebody look at my, it's hot outside, but look at my face. I'm not understanding. This looks amazing. This shade is my shade. This, we are the same shade. I'm trying to see, like, I keep trying to compare so bad, but I need to just make a full video from this one. Guys, you can compare and contrast, but we're gonna do that in another video because that one I want to do. When I tell you, did not touch it, did not blot it, did not add powder, nothing. Like literally, when I left here, that was it. That was it until 5 hours later, and I'm back. This thing works for me. Oily wear, didn't even use, y'all. And y'all saw the problem I went through. First of all, it's the blurry for me. The fact that this, is it blur for me? So the fact that this is looking how it's looking. The fact that like, where's the oiliness around my nose that I'm supposed to be looking for? Lightweight works, would not work for me on a good day. Like on a regular day, I feel like lightweight is not for me. However, lightweight mixed with blur properties, or blurring properties, this, I feel like this is what my skin has needed for a long time. I mean, like, granted, I've not worn it for 9 hours, I'm not wearing it for 10 hours, but the fact that I've worn it for 5 hours and this is what it's giving me in Houston's hot weather, I'm not understanding. I don't even know. It's almost like I didn't do anything today. It's almost like I didn't run crazy like a mad woman today. Like, okay, so I've been talking for 4 minutes of me just being stunned. Like, remember, like, I barely put on a primer. Like, remember, I had put on my concealer first before I realized I needed to put on a primer. Do y'all not get this? I feel like y'all are getting it, right? Because I feel like I'm yelling, but maybe I'm not. But maybe I need to yell some more. Or maybe I just need to stop talking because y'all get the picture. At this point, I'm like, if you have me, if I am like your skin type, if that makes sense, like if you have oily skin, if you have, I feel like even if you have dry skin, this will still be good on you. Like this will probably look good on you. You probably just need a like the serum primer that Danessa Myricks has. You probably need to add that first before you put this on. But I wanted to go ahead and give this a try again. And this one is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. I wanted to, I mean, I liked it the first time, but again, right here, this orange one. Why is it coming up as pink? Okay, wait, let me do it this way. Oh wow, it's still coming up as pink. That's strange. It's orange on here, but it comes up as like, oh, like, oh, I see. It comes up as that like orangey pink. Why does it look so good on my skin? First of all, it's the skin for me. It's definitely the skin for me. Yeah, like look, compared to this is what, like compared to, what am I saying? Compared to this right here, this is what it's coming out as. Okay, well, honestly, I give this, oh, and it looks really good. Okay, I do have to go. I wanted to tell you guys how this looks on my skin. I really hope you guys need to go grab this because this is perfect for me. If you have my shade match, you guys have a shade. We have a shade in this, okay? So go ahead and cop this if you can or when you can. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Greatly appreciate you watching me and giving me your time. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it. And yes, I think that's it, right? That's it. Yep. All right, you guys have a good rest of your week and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.